Here, we'll use this rag right here.
Sweet.
It's not one of the normal rags you're used to, but it'll work.
Yeah, so I went to the junkyard to get like a stock intake, and I found this gem.
Oh, hell yeah. Really? Nice, yeah. Dude. Just off another Jeep?
Yeah, same year and everything.
Nice.
I was like, I saw that and I ran back to the office and I was like, I'm grabbing my tools.
Nice.
So.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. This
Sweet.
is a $150 intake and they sold it to me for 20 bucks.
Nice.
Yeah.
See that, folks? Junkyard finds.
Yeah.
Just give it a little cleaning and oil it up a little bit.
Yep.
Hell yeah. We're gonna go talk to the family. I was thinking why he's down here. And we may maybe we'll run to the coffee shop or something. My daughter's working. I don't know. I need a coffee. I had a Red Bull earlier. It was really good. It was like peaches and cream. It was yummy, but it was expensive. It was really expensive. So we're not gonna take that. We may take the truck. Depending on what we're gonna do, I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. All right, folks. We are going to. Hold on, let me fix this. Okay. We are going on a trip. We're gonna take Jake here, and we're gonna go up to a little secret spot. It's really secret. No one knows about it. We're gonna go check things out. So stay tuned and follow along. We might have fun. We might not. I think we're gonna have fun. We're always having fun. We got the Suburban. Look at that lawn. Damn. Whoop. Oh, cow, that is gorgeous. Oh, that lawn is beautiful. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna go up, show Jake a good time, and just have a little fun in the Suburban. Got my daughter. She's eating these it's like a sausage sandwich, Jimmy Dean's croissant. So what happened?
She's warm.
She's warm. Yeah, it's a Jeep thing.
Hashtag Jeep things.
Hash.
That's the secret of being a Jeeper is you
hash.
Have more problems.
Tag. Jeep things. Yeah. So my Jeep does the same thing. If I'm in two-wheel drive, it gets pretty warm. But so far, I think in here we've been all right. That temperature. What's that temperature? That's actually pretty warm. But we're gonna hang out. We'll just chill for a little while. We're almost to the top though, so we'll just let her cool off for a minute. So basically, we've got the Jeep getting warm. Now, I don't know how many people know this, but when you start overheating your vehicles, and I'm not like an expert, but when you start overheating your vehicles, don't turn it off. You got a rag or something? Yeah, I'm sure you got one. I know you have one in there. Oh, crusty rags. Anyways, he's got, yeah, so he turned it off and he was overheating. But the problem is when you turn that off, your motor's not circulating that fluid. And if you have fans, your fans aren't working. So if you pull over, if you still got fluid, obviously if you like, obviously if you blow a radiator and you're completely out of fluid, it don't matter, turn it off. There's no fluid in there anyways. But the antifreeze still in there. Keep your motor running because it's circulating. It'll help cool it off. So as he was sitting here, started boiling over, started leaking a little bit. So we turned it on, and the gauge was just pegged, completely hot. So it started cooling off. So we're just gonna check real quick, make sure it's not coming out of the radiator. He's gonna burn himself. Yeah, it was probably just leaking out of here. Mine leaks out of here in that little hose. That's why there's a hose clamp. But yeah, just kind of slightly leaking out of that. But we're good. Fans working. I can hear those working.
Yeah.
So yeah, just a reminder: if you're overheating, don't shut it off. Let it idle. Pull over. Just let it circulate. All right, folks, we are up here at the secret location. It's secret, so shh. Shh. But we got the Suburban, and we've got the Jeep, and there was actually an avalanche right down there that came down. I'll show it to you on the way out, just in case I die. You guys can have something epic to share.
You die from that, I'd be impressed. That's not that bad of a fall.
You're right. You're right, Jake. It's not. Oh, what do we got up here? All sorts of cool shit. Oh, nice. Woohoo. This is where the water goes. Dang. The old timers they know how to get the water for the runoff. It's pretty cool. Kind of cool watching that water go into that rock, and then it literally just disappears. Comes back out kind of down over there. Alright guys, so anyways, oh shit, there's Bigfoot. Alright, here we go. Jake's gonna move so that he can get out of his vehicle. We got handbrake Jake. He's up here with his Jeep.
Dude, that thing is awesome.
Nice. And we got the burb. Let's go check out some of this debris. I know. Yeah, it does. So this is the avalanche debris, but look at the destruction. Like, dude, that's just wild. There's still a little bit of snow here, but it's kind of cool. This is where I think the road is. This is what the water does for the avalanche. kind of carves it out.
Oh, I missed again.
Wow. You're stronger than the rock. Oh, even that spot right there looks pretty. Oh yeah, that's gonna fall. Right there. Yep. To your right is about to fall. Oh boy.
There's a hole right here.
Yes, there is. I think you found it. Oh boy.
Wait.
I'm not sure what you expected.
Well, that's what I expected.
I could hear the air leave your body.
I couldn't.
Yeah.
Look how cool this is. This is literally the road. Little trail. Look at all the water just carved out the water here. Or, I mean snow. Water carved out the snow. That's pretty cool. The danger zone. You do not want to get caught in there. Look at that. Look how much snow is still on top of there. Oh no, there's a bear! Pants are gonna fall! All right, folks, we're gonna call it a day. We went and had some fun. Just what we do. Like, this is kind of what we do every weekend. Mostly, even on the weekdays, we just go hang out. But thanks for following along. Stay tuned, and we're gonna fix the Jeep, and we're gonna fix some stuff on the crew cab, and we're just, yeah. You guys have a good day. Smile. Smile every morning. Every time you get out of bed, just be like, yo! Look yourself in the mirror and be like, you rock.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.